like an extra spare tank, so it's sweet.
Nice.
Alright. I'm surprised the people on the quad bike just there didn't try to kill me. Seeing as how there's one of me and there was two of them on that quad bike.
They didn't know.
No, they should have known. They should have seen it, dude. They were close enough to me. Oh, where the fuck they went? Either they went up the hill, or I'm dumb. Yeah, they're coming for me now. I should just turn on my siren just to piss them off.
You should. Try and hit him with the car.
Kappa 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 kappa. They're shooting at me. Turns out they don't like me sitting there with the sirens on. Sounds like there's a lot of gang rape going on over on the other side of this hill. Maybe I should get involved. This is the police. Put your hands up. I'm gonna get out and shotgun you. You're all under arrest right now, guys. I will arrest you all. Excuse me, I have suspicions you stole that quad bike. Excuse me. Excuse me, zombies or not, you stole that quad bike. Excuse me, trailer trash, get down off that hill. Give me the quad bike back, and I won't come up there. Leave the quad bike, its parts, and its fuel right there, and you won't get hurt. Kappa 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 you. So I'm at the top of this hill where the ATV came last time.